Hello guys, I'm Joe. We're here with Buckwheat, and it's his 33rd hatch day celebration.
Oh.
A long time ago, guys. This bird is 33 years old. A long time ago, guys. Buckwheat's first word was hello. Now, when Bucky wants to get control and take command of me, he says, "Good bird." And I go, "Hello," because he says hello. Yeah. No. Every year, on the 4th of July, 5th of champagne and 6th of fires. Every year. Okay, well, let's try another one. How about this one there? Now, Humphrey Bogart, Casablanca says, "Here's looking at you, kid." John Wayne said, "A woman is called a woman because she can woo any man." How about you want to woo a chick? He says, "Hey, baby, good bird. Hey, baby. Hey, baby." And let's see. And then after that one, people are always asking me, in the bars, in the stores, in the halls, in the malls, "Can that bird of yours talk?" I said, "Can you talk?" "Good bird. Can you fly?" All right. "Can you talk? Can you fly?" And then let's see. How about now? When Bucky's a little big bird, he wouldn't know what he was, and he'd stutter. He was either bird. Good bird. Okay. So let me see. Now let's see. Let's see. A long time ago, Bucky's first word was hello. Now Bucky wants to get control and take it. He says hello. Then I go hello. Yeah. Okay. All right. And then let's see. How about now this stuff's been around. Well, the bell's on. It's a pair's license. It's 1886. It's what the whole flock likes. Bucky, is yours drink? Bucky, your drink. Coca-Cola. It's kind of something. Yes, for many years, it was the positive phrases. Then it became a real thing. Now it's always Coke. It's for who it goes for. Guys, I think it does help. It does help, right? Good bird. Now let's see. Now, when I first got this bird, guys, I had a bad cold. And I think he felt sorry for me because to this day, guys, he just can't go, "Cold, good bird, cold, good bird, cold. Good bird." He's getting over that cold though, isn't he? Yeah. Now for his next imitation, they say a man's handshake is like a dog, wagging his tail. The more vigorous, the better the friend. Speaking of man best friend, bark like a dog. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Good bird. Whoa, whoa. Good bird. Good bird. Good dog. Now folks, listen to what I'm saying as long as I understand how we can do all these things. It's a complete mystery. It makes no sense. There's so many guys, bits, and parts in this routine. How do you remember what comes next? Woof, woof. Good bird. He says. Can you hear him say Jojo? He's the world's fastest. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. He's got me trained. He goes, Jojo. He's the world's. Woof, 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 little guy. Okay. Now you guys remember the old movie, Beautiful Mind. John Nash Jr. got the Nobel Prize, but the cat was saying, "Bok like a chicken. Bok, bok, bok. Bok, bok. Bok, bok. Bok, bok. Bok, bok." Okay. He's switching from chicken to bird, or to dog there. Dog to chicken. They're all animals and he impersonates. So, let's see. Okay. Now, he may struggle with this one. Charge! Whistle, little guy. Whistle, Buckwheat. Whistle, little guy. Whistle, Buckwheat. Okay, well, let's go on. Now, Buckwheat laughs. In front of me, behind me, in my face, behind my back. Every which way but loose. Laughter is contagious, guys. Catch it good. No, catch it good. There he goes. Catch it good. Good. Catch it good. Good. Now, Buckwheat will even laugh at the dumbest joke on earth. Why did the parrot cross the road? Prove he wasn't chicken. Prove he was chicken. Prove he was chicken. Prove he was chicken. And in fact, now Buckwheat will even laugh right along with me. Real guy. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. And let's see, an actor is at least part ham. He's a pig about your attention. He always expects it to be his fan. Give Floyd Mitchell. There's a good pig.
Good bird.
No, good bird. No, let's go back. Every year, on the 4th of July, no, good bird. Every year. Good bird. All right, he finally did it. All right, guys. So for Halloween, guys, Buckwheat and I like to play a little peekaboo. I see you. Good bird, I see you. Good bird, I see you. Good bird. Boom. Good bird. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you guys for hanging in there with Buckwheat Bujo Show. Thank you.